2 things you need to know about your BERNINA embroidery module. Number 1, do you need to have your embroidery module serviced? And number 2, what is the difference between the BERNINA 7 series and 8 series embroidery module that is the standard one, and what is the difference between the newest one that is the Smart Drive technology? Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and lately I've been able to put my BERNINA hat on as I've been going through and filming new video tutorials of the BERNINA 790 Pro, really just doing the highlights. Now, we have videos for tons of different sewing machines, embroidery machines, sergers, BERNINA models, Viking models, all sorts of different machines that we sell here at our store. Plus, we have online courses. Now, any of the things that I'm talking about, they're going to be in the description below. Now, if you are watching any of our videos and they are on YouTube, make sure that you have clicked the subscriber. Only 1 in 10 of you are subscribed members, and it's free, but it means a lot to me if you do. And as you watch the videos, make sure you're clicking like. That's to say thank you, and we greatly appreciate it. So let's do the first one, which I think is something a lot of people wonder about, and sometimes there's some conflicting information. Why do you need to have your embroidery module serviced every year when you have your sewing machine serviced? So here's what's happening. A lot of people have been told you don't need to have your embroidery module serviced. Number 1, there's just as many moving parts in here, practically, than are in here. And some of you embroiderers are embroidering hours upon hours. So yes, you guys probably are already bringing your embroidery module in for service, but not everyone is. So bring them in as a pair. It allows us to make sure everything is working between the 2 units when they're connected. Everything gets updated while it's in for service, and this gets the same love and care that your sewing machine is also getting. Here's what's going to happen. In a year, same thing. Everything is smoothly running, and once again, just like you get your car serviced, you're going to bring your sewing machine and module in again for constant little spa treatments, and this machine is going to treat you so well. Here's what happens. If you just have your sewing machine service and you don't have your module service, what's going to happen is something's going to eventually probably not be as in tune with each other. Then you're going to think your sewing machine's not working, but it's really over here. So keep that in mind. Yes, I know there's stores out there that say, oh no, don't bring that in. No, you need to bring it in and demand that it is actually serviced at the same time with your machine and paired together. There should be a service stitch out for you when you're done. So those are just a little updates. We at our store, our retail store, we have 4 full-time service technicians, and that makes their job so much easier because when a machine has to come in for a recheck and it's like the embroidery module is probably the one causing the problem, it's so much easier. If they were just serviced at the same time, it would eliminate some of those issues. If you are an owner of a BERNINA 7 series or 8 series, you have learned that the same embroidery module fits both those machines. Even though the BERNINA 8 series machines are a little bit wider, I do like that BERNINA has made one module that fits both those models. Over the years, just like anything, everything gets like tuned up and smoother running. I've just noticed because I've been working on the 790 Pro, everything's just a little bit more better and smoother and fine-tuned. And that's just what you get when you buy a new car or an updated model of the same car you've had. You notice things are just a little bit better. Recently, there has been an updated embroidery module. The new Smart Drive technology module is actually designed to go up to 55% faster. It is also smoother, quieter, and more precision stitching is what you're going to get while you're embroidering. So if you have one of the older modules, one of the options is if you want the new module, you can buy just a new module. You don't have to buy a whole new machine and module. The 790 Pro is packaged with the updated module. Now, we have also done videos on the BERNINA 790 Plus, which is very similar machine, like for the screens and everything, but I was using the module that originally came with it. for a while, the BERNINA 790 Pluses, some came with the original module, and towards the end of that era, some were coming with the newer one. So just because you have a 790 doesn't mean you have the old module. Some of you will actually have the newer one. So just check out which one do you actually have. And if you do want the newer module, just check with your BERNINA store and they will hook you up. But those of you who are buying the BERNINA 790 Pro, you already have the updated module. That was the one that has come with it since they announced and started shipping this model. I've also been having fun stitching out some of the newer decorative stitches on this machine. We would love to have you take the time to create a stitch book. So if you haven't checked out our How to Make the Ultimate Stitch Book, click this video up here in this corner and it will teach you why and how to take the time to stitch out all your decorative stitches no matter which model you have, so you can truly enjoy everything that is built into your current BERNINA model. So if you haven't already checked out our online courses, ways that you can master your BERNINA machine, all different models by the way, from the sewing side of our BERNINA Stitching Cosmos to the embroidery side of our Embroidery Essentials online course, and our most popular newest course, I know it's down here, it's our Pinpoint Placement Masterclass. So in all of our courses, you can always click and find free videos in that course to see if that course is right for you. So you can check out those links along the way. So I need to get back to the last few videos that I have to do on the BERNINA 790 Pro, as I too have been learning this machine. I hope that you are enjoying this model, and maybe you're considering this model. These videos would be a great way to explore and see if this machine might be right for you as well.